The 2016 Bighorn Outdoor Adventure Show is all new, an outdoor enthusiast playground at the Spokane County Fair and Expo Center tomorrow through March 20th. This year, the Bighorn Outdoor Adventure Show plans to make a big splash. Backed by popular demand, dock dogs, big airwave jumping, extreme vertical, and speed retrieval competitions. Meet Christy Titus, Rocky Mountain Foundation's elk calling champion. Enter to win a brand new 2015 Ram 2500 Hemi truck. Interact with over 300 outdoor adventure vendors. Be adventurous and plan to attend the Bighorn Outdoor Adventure Show.